Hey, Jesus said some pretty crazy stuff. Some stuff that shook people up a little bit. He said some stuff that was brand new. He introduced an entirely new way to be human. And it rattled some cages, and it upset some folks. And in John chapter 6, we read about that. Jesus has just fed this huge crowd. He's done this mighty miracle and given them bread and given them fish, and they come back for more, and they're hungry again, and they're looking for another free lunch. And he tells them, you're hungry again, but what you really need is me. You don't need another free lunch. You need me. You need life. And in verse 35, he says this, I am the bread that gives life. If you come to my table and you eat, you will never go hungry. He's talking about this deep down spiritual hunger that we're all born with. And the only thing that really craves and satisfies that craving is Him, is Jesus. It's only found in Him. He is the bread of life. Then he goes on, and in verse 53 he says this, I tell you the truth, unless you eat the flesh of the Son of Man and drink His blood, you will not know life. If you eat my flesh and drink my blood, then you will have eternal life, and I will raise you up at the end of time. My flesh and blood provide true nourishment. He tells the crowd this, all right? And there's this collective ooh, that just kind of spreads across the crowd. And they're like, that's really nasty. Because he's telling them, you got to eat my flesh, drink my blood. And crazy thing that Jesus says. Okay, and they don't understand. And what happens, things get a little crazy. And in verse 66 it says this, after hearing these teachings, many of his disciples walked away and no longer followed Jesus. So things got crazy. They bailed out. To them it was gross, it was shocking, and it was offensive. So they took off. But Jesus wasn't talking about anything weird. He was talking about the only way to really experience life. Jesus is spiritual food. We have this deep down spiritual soul hunger, and the only way to satisfy that is in relationship with Him, to get to know Him, to follow Him, to hang out with Him. The only way to be spiritually healthy is to hang out with Him. We need to take bread in physically. It gives life to our body. It affects every part of us. It gives life to our limbs. It helps us think. And it's the same way with Jesus. We need to take Him in. We've got this spiritual soul hunger, and He gives life to us. He is our nourishment. He is our sustainer. There's no way around His sacrifice. He's saying, unless you eat my body, drink my blood. He knows that his body's about to be broken. He knows that his blood is about to be spilled. And he knows that that is the only way to life. There's no way around it. There's no shortcut. There's no other way to experience life, only through His sacrifice. So He's saying, take it in. Take what I've done for you. Take it in. Let it sustain you. Let it nourish you. Get to know me. Soak in the sacrifice. Remember the sacrifice. And just live it out. Jesus is bread. He is our daily spiritual nourishment. God bless you guys. Giddy up.